Hey, welcome everyone to the channel. We're going to talk about Amazon today. The market crashed about 25%. What was that? Let me see. 8-9%. So I would say it crashed about 25% over the last couple of weeks, maybe even more than that. We're going to talk about Amazon because this could be the next tech giant to fall. And it's already falling. I mean, when you look at the price to where we were at in the beginning of this year, Amazon was trading around $240. Here it is, pre-market at 168. So yeah, the market is cratering, crashing. I think you guys, if you're already in the market, you may know the reason why. It completely changed. This is one of those things that's to why I don't push holding stocks for 5 years, 10 years, 100 years, because the uncertainty is too unknown, even on a shorter time frame. So why would you try to include all that risk of having money locked up for 10 years when in 10 days you could get this much value eliminated, reduced, gone, vanished? It's ridiculous. So we're going to talk about that real quick. But before I do, hit that like, share, subscribe here to the channel. This is what we're here to do. We're here to give you all the news according to the price charts, not by what's going on in the news, because once it is out on the streets, once media talks about it, the market has already moved. So in order for us to have a competitive advantage, we need to ensure we look at something different. And the chart is that thing, because it gives us a glimpse as to what could be coming over the horizon way before the media even drops the news. Because, for instance, when you look at Amazon, people know, you have insiders, they talk. So you don't think people who have interest in Amazon or other tech companies on Wall Street that they don't talk? Like, they knew that this tariff that Trump is dropping on people, they knew that it was coming. That's why they sold at these high prices. It's the ones who depend on the media that is always the one that's left holding the bag. And then they shake their head and try to figure, okay, why is the market dipping? The only thing that we can do on the outside, trying to look in, is paying attention to what they do first. And the price chart is where it is at. Someone in Amazon knew that something was about to pop today. So that's why the market has been going down ever since the high in January, right? We did a price prediction in Amazon there on the 24th of January. We were looking for the market to go higher, and unfortunately it ran out of gas. It didn't hit our ultimate TP price. It did hit a high of $242.52 on the 4th of February. That went on to garner us around 3.25%. That was it. Outside of that, stop loss would have hit on the 21st of February, 7.5% there. Let's get rid of it. Now, we'll get rid of these buy pockets here in Amazon because these buyers completely ran. They did not even support the price in Amazon. Now, I'm zooming out because this trend line here, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you, except look for price in Amazon to continue to go lower. The trend is broken. This market was in a fantastic, great uptrend going all the way back to 2023 March. It's been 2 years. Amazon has been going up. 2. So like I said earlier in the video, why would you want to hold it for 5 years? If you bought Amazon back here in March 2023, right? Let's go ahead and get that low. Right here, March 13th, 2023. At the high of February 5th, 2025, about 2 years ago, your account was up 173%. Right? Now, if you're still holding out and you're one of these 5-year, 10-year, 15, 20-year people, your account is now at 100% profit. How low do you think the market's going to go that you'll feel comfortable thinking that in 5-10 years it's going to be worth more than what you purchased at around 88. Because there's no uncertainty. I mean, there's nothing but uncertainty the further out in time that you hold a stock. You might not think it's possible that Amazon would come all the way back down to $89. But just like we were once trading there, it can go back there. And then you'll see your account or this position go lower and lower and lower to where you're looking like I should have sold. All right, because this trend is now broken. So let's get rid of this trend. We can actually go ahead and create this trend line for Amazon. Okay, we can go ahead and create that because this stock is trending down. Now, right here, the market is already trading here pre-market. Okay, so we might need to focus on other areas that we could see buyers in Amazon try to support. So let's look at this real quick on the 2. Okay, here it is on the 3. Scary times right there on the 3. I mean, the market was actually giving us sell signals way before today. You can see it right here. We had another sell signal trigger on a 3-day chart. So for us to see the market continue to give a sell-off signal, I'm not surprised. Here it is on the 4. 8 hours, 36 minutes. Sell signal being triggered right now. Here it is on the 5. It was on the weekly chart. 8 hours, 36 minutes. Sell signals already here. And we're trading pre-market. We closed down here on the weekly in the next 8 hours, 35 minutes. Yeah, we might see another quick move down here to these people who bought Amazon right there. It was in August of 2024. So we might see a small pop there. Amazon on the 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3. Amazon on the 5 for the month of March. Right there. Here it is for the 3 months. Okay. So you can see as the market in Amazon was trending up, as it was going higher, look at what the volume was doing. So it ran out of gas. So we're going to look for the price in Amazon to go down. Let us first add some sell pockets here. That's what we're going to do first. I'm going to make one there. Let's do one here. And let's create one right there. Let me pull this up. All right, so now back on the daily pre-market, like I said, we're already hitting this buy pocket. So if you see the market in Amazon bounce right off the gate, you already know the reason why. It's because we're at a spot that we would expect the market to begin buying. So kind of like this. Come down, try to come up, come back down. Okay. So don't be surprised if the market goes up in Amazon. But we're going to look for price to come down to this target. So it's like 13% move to the downside from the close of yesterday. Okay. There you go. Just like that. All right, so I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.